Hey, what's going on? Mr. Dave here on the rock pile. We are out here in Poway, and we blew on, pardon me, I have fog out in my mouth. We blew on the first coat with the new machine we are awesome and lucky enough to be using these days. It's a E340, what the hell is it? I'll walk over and look at it. But anyway, we're blowing on the texture coat, and this is the fastest, easiest way to finish fake rock. It just is. You blow on the texture, you get a spit texture, you knock it down with the trowels, then you hit it with a brush, put in your fine details, and you're good to go. The fog coat again goes in there, and that gives a color that's inside and under and on the rock. It's not paint, so it won't ever fade. It might wear away over time, but it's got to physically get removed to reduce the color in there. So it really gives you a lot more years in your water feature color look. The paint will fade in time, years and years, but as it does, more of the fog coat can come through and reveal what's underneath, and that's just another color. So you really get a lot more miles. So again, we'll just show you what it is, man. We just sprayed it on. Again, it's that spit texture. You've seen it with the hopper, the little triangle thing that I just hold on and spray it on. Well, this is a machine. I'll walk over there real quick, but once you spray it on, then you come back, you knock it down, smooth it out. It's getting a little chalky, so I'm going to hit that with some water, get that a little wet, slow down that cure, and then I come back after I get the all the, I call them spit marks, knocked down. Then I come back and you hit it with your little guy to give it a little bit more character, and you can add the think, Dave, the brush. I'm so friggin' tired. You add the brush to it, and you can do additional stuff there, so you get different textures and stuff. So we blew all this. It was like our first try. Did about 200 pounds, and it did this much. We're on the Poway job, and just showing you guys how we do it. So we've taped and masked off the whole pool because they finished the tile coping stonework, if you will, all around it. And so we're spraying on the texture coat, like I said, and it's this new machine that Mark Heisland, sorry if I said your name wrong, Mark, has let us use. We're kind of borrowing it, and it is a Tough Tech S340E from Graco. And believe it or not, this one little unit can pump it all the way down our 75-foot hose or even more, all the way to there and get it on there. It does actually aggregates, very coarse materials. This is spec mix. We had a lot more Portland, and this is our first run through. I think I'm going to add a little bit of lime in there, maybe that'll help it do its thing. But here's where you pour the stuff, and the pump mechanism is this thing right here, and that's it, baby. There's a piston that goes up and down, run by an electric motor. I'm not sure how many horses, but it runs on 110. 110, baby. So it's good for mortar mixes and that kind of thing. And so we're cleaning it out, getting ready to set it aside for now till another day. I'm just doing that same thing. You knock down the spit marks and you put in your little cracks, and you made yourself a rock, guys. So anyways, I thought I'd fill you in on another adventure on the rock pile. So Dave Sculpt. No, that's my email. DaveHenderson.podia.com to learn how we do this, and www.daveRhenderson.com to get blogs, links to other platforms, YouTube channel, and all that fun stuff. My nose always runs when I do videos. Always. I don't know why. It's the nature of these things. So anyways, hope you're having a great day. Remember to be thankful, forgiving, and get Jesus in your heart, baby. Got to get him in there and let him take you home when it's your time. And these are the end times, and he's coming soon, so get ready, baby. So Mr. Dave on the rock pile. Remember to be forgiving and thankful. You get those two things dialed in, and you'll be a dialed in person. And yeah, we need a lot more dialed in people to be able to handle the crazy times in which we live. So God bless you guys. Thanks so much. Please subscribe and send these videos out there to friends and show them a little bit of the creative world that's out there. And I'm doing what I love, you know, trying to find out what I want to do when I grow up, and I'm getting there at 63. And I'm kind of gross. Sorry about that. Anyways, hope you're having a good day. Make someone smile. Let them see your smile. Make someone laugh. Give someone a hug you love. And make the world a better place. So God bless you guys. We'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. Bye.